Trading plan is what tells you what to trade, when to trade, why to trade, what you are risking, and when to get out of a trade. All right. Trading with a plan is a business, while trading without a plan is gambling. All right. So you want to ask yourself, are you gambling or are you doing a business? Or are you in business? Forex trading is a business, guys. And what makes you do this, or you are in this as a business, is that trading plan, guys. You've heard about business plan, guys. For you to succeed in any business, you have to have a plan for that business, what you want to, how you intend to achieve your goals with that business, guys. So also is trading plan in forex trading. There's no forex without a trading plan. Enough of that, guys. Now, if you are traveling to anywhere, maybe from Abuja to Lagos or something, you must have a roadmap. You must have plan for that journey. How much you want to spend in terms of your transport fare, your feeding money. If you're a driver, you want to fill the tank with fuel. Other expenses and other plans for that journey must be in place if that journey must be successful, right? So yes, trading plan is very, very important. So let's dive into it very, very properly, guys. If you're going to stay to the end of this video, I promise you value, guys. You're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Like, share, and subscribe. So trading plan, what to trade, tells you what to trade. Now, in your trading plan, you must have the pairs you intend to trade. That is what it means by what to trade. The pairs you intend to trade. The forex pairs, is it commodities you want to trade? Is it indices, crypto that you want to trade? Whatever you want to trade, guys, must be clear. Must be clear and written in your trading plan. All right. And I advise not more than three pairs or three commodities or whatever you want to trade. You might want to mix it, but it should not be more than three, guys. The less, the better. Do you understand? So we have tackled the issue of what do you intend to trade. It must be written. And then number two will be when to trade. All right. You don't just have a business and you show up in that business anytime. Do you understand? It must be clear to you the session you want to trade. So when to trade addresses the question of what session am I going to be trading. We have three sessions in the forex market. We have the London session, the New York session, and then the Asian session. So you want to think about it, all right, according to your country and your time zone, wherever you are in the world. You want to now find out what session will best suit your trading routine. Do you understand? So you want to find out, is it just London session I want to trade, or is it just New York, or the overlap session, or Asian session I want to trade? It should be clear in your journal, and you have to stick to it, guys. 2026 is coming. I was just thinking and thinking how 2025 has been, and I discovered that the major problem of so many traders is lack of trading plan. They don't know what they are looking for in the market. They just wake up randomly and they entered into the market and they don't know what they are looking for. That should not be you, guys. So when to trade is very, very important. Identify it and go with it. And then number three will be what we've discussed what to trade, when to trade, and then number three will be how to trade. How to trade addresses the issue of strategy. What strategy are you using? How do you intend to trade the market? How do you intend to enter the market? That's what we are talking about. How to trade. Are you a trend line trader? Stick to it. Do you just want to focus on the bounce of it, the bounce of the trend line, or the break and retest of the trend line? Know what you are looking for. Are you a support and resistant trader? When price comes to your support, what are you looking for? Are you looking for a bullish engulfing, weak rejection, or you are looking for a certain kind of pattern before you enter that trade? Same for a resistance. It should be very, very clear. Are you an SMC trader? All right. Do you enter uh, when price comes to your order block, or fair value gap, or breaker block, or whatever turtle soap, whatever ICT trader, whatever trader you are, guys, you want to stick to it. That is the secret. You don't want to be jumping from one strategy to the other. You trade trend line today, you trade support tomorrow, you trade order block the next day. You cannot be consistent that way. Now the market moves in cycles, all right? And I heard it from one great mentor that the strategy that works for you today, all right, might not work for you tomorrow. It is now going to work for another person with another strategy. You see? So when you learn to stick to your own strategy, it's not possible that you are going to find setup every day one, which is going to reduce your wanting to trade every day over trading, right? So you want to allow other people's strategy to work for them. Do you understand? You want to allow other people's strategy to work for them. So that aside, that is it, guys. So you have to understand uh, how to trade your strategy. It has to be written clear and clean. And then the next one will be your risk exposure. How much do you want to risk in the market? It has to be clear, guys. Proper risk management is a game changer in this game. Is what is going to keep you long in this industry. It is advisable that you risk 1% of your account, but it all boils down to your personality, what you can be able to take. Do you understand? Is what are you able to risk? If 2% you will risk it and you are okay with it, is fine. Is fine, whatever you want to risk. So you have to just understand the kind of person you are. Are you an aggressive trader? Are you a conservative trader? Are you just a middle kind of risk kind of person? You have to understand your kind of person, and then you have to stick to it. And then the last one will be, how do you intend to exit a trade in profit? Is it the next high, the next resistance, as price gets there, you exit? The next support, as price gets there, you exit? It has to be clear. Where are you going to be putting your stop loss? Is it below the next structure, above the next structure? Is structure going to determine where you're going to put your stop loss, or take profit? All these things must be defined, guys. So, guys, that is going to be it, guys. Trading plan. Never do not enter this 2026 without a proper trading plan. That's what is going to help your chances of becoming a successful, profitable trader in no time, guys. Thank you so much. If you have watched up until this time, I will encourage you to like, share, subscribe. So many valuable information will be coming uh, in this space, and I will see you at the top. My name is Success Honor. I'm a forex trader, and I'm rooting for you guys, and we'll see you at the top. Cheers, guys.